Temporary Graduate Visa, Subclass 485. Replacement Stream. This visa is for current and former temporary graduate visa holders who lost time on their original visa due to COVID-19 travel restrictions. It lets you live, work and study in Australia temporarily. Here are the following eligibilities for Subclass 485. Be this age. You must be under 50 years of age. Have this visa. To apply for this visa you must either hold a temporary graduate visa as the main holder or have held a temporary graduate visa as the main holder and currently hold another substantive visa or a bridging visa A or bridging visa B. Have adequate health insurance. You are personally liable for all your healthcare costs while you are in Australia. Medical insurance helps limit your financial liability. Meet our health requirement. You and any family members who apply for the visa with you must meet our health requirement. Meet our character requirement. You and any family members aged 16 years and over who apply for the visa must meet our character requirement. Sign the Australian Value Statement. If you are 18 years of age or older, you must have read or had explained to you the Life in Australia booklet and sign an Australian Value Statement that confirms you will respect the Australian way of life and obey Australian laws. Have no debt to the Australian government. If you or any family members owe the Australian government money, you or they must have paid it back or arranged to pay it back. For questions or assistance, book an appointment via the link in the video description or call WhatsApp +614 888 58704. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with others who might benefit from this information. For more immigration-related content and updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.